Your husband is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Your cousin is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. Your cousin is attempting to reach you on your...
Oh no, it's your mom calling. What does she want? What does she want?
Well, cause I'm a bitch, she's a big fat bitch, she's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a stupid bitch, and everyone's a bitch, she's a bitch to all the boys and girls.
Your mama's calling you, wants to see what...
Asshole calling, asshole.
Your mama's calling you, wants to see what you're up to. If you wait till the song is through, just mad.
Asshole calling, asshole calling. There's an asshole on the other end of the line. Answer.
I've got a perfect puzzle for you. Oompa, loompa, doompa-dee-dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me. Our whole universe was in a hot, dense state. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Your daddy. I like to move it, move it. Right into this world, all alone.
Hi, it's your phone speaking. You have a new message.
It's ringing. You might want to pick it up. I may not be a... And she's my...
An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. An idiot is attempting...
Your brother's on the...
It's your mother. Pick it up. It's mommy on the phone. Pick it up.
I'm so fancy. You already know.
Turn down for what?
I'm coming home.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Do not answer this call. This is your rejection ringtone. Maybe the person who's calling just isn't your type. This could mean boring, dumb, annoying, arrogant, or just a general weirdo.
Hello.
Frank. Sit down.